Hey guys, today's video we're gonna review some toys. Where's our toys? Today we have our crocodile plushie. Bleh. She's had a tongue. The eyes are gone. And we have a we have an pan, and we have an pan cat. Uy! The scissors. I'm gonna throw it out. And we have a cat. Meow meow meow. We have a notebook. This is not a toy. Bye. Here's my brother. Here's my cousin, brother, and I'm the oldest.
Ako man yan nauna sa
Meow, 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 meow.
I'm the middles.
Middle. She's the middle child.
She's the youngest.
Yes. I'm gonna on the TV. Who wants to see the TV, guys?
Who want to see our
And that's the video
Filipino
today.
din tayo?
This is the part 1, and part 2 is gonna
Bakit yan, oh?
we're gonna do it later.